Okay. Okay. Nice to meet all of you. Okay. I'm Amar Jamshed and I'm an associate data scientist and I've been teaching in AI datayard since around last year, November. So please accept the new student coming. So the last batch we thought they had some good reviews about this course and all of them are right now working in companies, startups, and even MNCs. So this course is basically, we will be taking you from basic level to intermediate level. Advanced level, though, we will expect that you will further train and become on your own. And just clearing out, can everyone hear me? Raise your hand if you can.
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, thank you. Vaji, Wakar, Bilal. Okay, that means everyone okay. So, and every year we only take around 10 students. We try our best not to go more than that because we're about in-depth learning and also all of you interacting together and also networking. Because business intelligence is a field that's not just based on your skills or your coding or your ability to script SQL procedures. It's how you can explain your solution to stakeholders and shareholders. Like all the skills you'll be learning in this course, it will take you to a better point in your job or will help you with a promotion as well, or even help you get a new job in data. But how you sell your skills in a solution, that's the main challenge. And that's where everyone struggles on, because data storytelling is the most essential skill in succeeding within this field. So these first 2 days are only orientation. Okay. Okay. Okay, everyone can see it. Perfect. So okay, so basically, teaching this course since with AI data yards, assistants, and their presentations work. So first of all, or what do you understand by the word data? Just a curious guess. Anyone can answer.
So raw facts and figures.
Okay, that's a good answer. Anyone else as well?
Okay. Well, Amar, it's just raw facts and figures. If you attach information to it, it becomes if you attach meaning to it, I think it becomes facts and information.
Okay, that's a good answer too. But okay, the more general answer towards this would be, it's basically a trace of anything that already exists. Like a data, basically it's a record, right, of something that's already happened, or or an estimate of something that probably might happen. Again, like it can be raw facts and figures, yes. It can also become information. Okay, this would be a good question. What's the difference between data and information? Anyone can answer. Azhar, or even the previous ones who answered. Farah, anyone? Okay. Okay. Basically, data basically can not be usable. Information is usable. Example, data would be example. Let's see, how many sales do you have in over the last 10, 15 years? Information can also be what you earned and what you did not earn from your sales and how your sales were like. It can be a literature, commentary, anything, but it originates from data. Someone wanted to answer something? Please tell me. Yeah. Okay, that. So all of you, I'm sure all of you use one of these social medias or 2, 3 of them, right? So yes. Yeah, so look, we have 350,000 tweets almost per every second in the world, 243,000 photo uploads, 4,400 hours of YouTube videos, 800 files, etc., etc. So basically, data is now all around us. It's always been around us. Even before technologies or the internet came into existence, if you've seen archaeological sites or TVs or cartoons about history, tabloids and all, people writing things on stones, all of that was data as well. Even if you look at the past, like past information from, let's see, how many of you believe in, let's say, what do we say, astrology? How many of you believe in it? It's okay if you do. I have no issue with that. Come on, I would also want some of you to interact in this course. This is what this course is about.
I guess no one does.
That's good. Okay.
I do.
So, okay, you do? Okay, please
Yes,
tell me a reason why, because I'm really interested to know.
Because I heard a quote of Imam Ali, मैं जमीन के रास्तों से ज्यादा आसमान के रास्ते जानता हूँ. तो आसमान के रास्ते कुछ है ना जो वो जानते हैं.
That is very beautiful to even hear. And Mohammed Bakar, oh wait, did you speak, Mohammed Bakar, or did you just join?
I just joined.
Okay, Mohammed Bakar, please give us a 1-minute intro of yourself. I think we missed you.
Thanks. Sorry, sir. I was late. My
No,
name
sure.
is Mohammad Bakar Sajjad. I have done my MBA in supply chain and doing job in logistic company
Which
as the
company?
assistant supply chain manager.
Which company, Mohammed Bakar?
Resh Private Limited.
Okay, Rash Private Limited. Okay, thank you for telling us that. And yeah, analytics is heavily used in supply chains if you've already worked there.
Yeah, that's why I joined this course to learn.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So data, what's the fast? Up until 2005, humans have created 100 exabytes of data. 500 HD movies fit in 1 terabyte. And nowadays, you see now gigabytes is not enough these days, right? A lot of people need terabytes of data now, even for phone storage, even for game storages, who knows what else. So as humans are increasing in number, the need for data is becoming increasing as well to keep things stored. 1000 petabytes, like all of you know what megabytes, terabytes, gigabytes, exabytes are, right? Raise your hand. Yeah, because I'm sure there are people out there who literally download, let's see, 700 gigabytes of data even on games and whatnot. So yeah, that's nothing these days. Okay, so the tools we cover over here, we cover in Power BI, okay? Descriptive, involves mining past data to report, visualize and understand what has already happened. That's what we call descriptive analytics. Okay, when we're exploring the why, and Spotfire is a similar tool. Abdullah, you have a question?
No, I don't have a question.
Okay, no issue. So, okay, if anyone raises their hand anytime, I would automatically assume you're asking a question, and you're more than welcome to raise your hand anytime. I'll be happy to stop my lecture to answer a question. Okay. So Power BI and Tableau, though I believe people have already mentioned here, even yeah, Noor and I believe Farah even mentioned how they want to learn how to use it, and others did too. So Power BI and Tableau, they are basic business intelligence tools, and Spotfire is a similar tool. It's owned by another company. That's the difference also between Tableau and Power BI. Power BI is owned by Microsoft. Tableau is owned by Salesforce. They both are different companies entirely. So and after because we first upload the data onto these business intelligence tools, we make visualizations and diagrams to understand the trends of the data, what these data sources are telling us, what does the trend look like. And then we go into the diagnostic analytics to understand why did it happen. We understand the relationship between data inputs and outputs, the variables between data. Example, how is sales related to gender? Normally people would be like, does gender affect sales? Well, yes, it does. If you are selling something like cosmetics, maybe the females will be bigger, more customers than males. So if you change the prices, you could lose more female customers than you could lose male customers. So gender is also an important variable when it comes to the data of sales, which I think Bilal would know as well. Yeah. And then predictive is what's likely to happen. It's when we start making predictions with machine learning models or even analytical methodologies that leveraging past data to predict what will happen in the future, determine which decision or action will produce the most effective results against a set of objectives. So in this, we usually use tools like Python, R, MATLAB. MATLAB is very pure statistics, and R programming is also like Python, but it's pure statistics. Abdullah, do you have a question?
No,
Abdullah,
I don't have a question. I don't know why it's showing I have a question.
because your hand is up, now just raise your hand down.
Okay, just give me a second. How to?
Yeah.
Okay, lower the hand. Okay.
Okay. So Python and R, like Python is more general than R because, with Python, you can do a lot of things, which I'm sure those of you who studied Python or have done a course in it would know that you can use Python for app development, for machine learning models. You can even use it for web development and a lot of things. R, you can only use for statistical models. It's not something you would ever use for web development or anything. It doesn't support the capabilities to that point. And MATLAB is also very similar. It's just an older version when R wasn't so popular. People have used MATLAB more. And Alteryx is a very new thing. It's a new no-code tool that people use for machine learning models and all, but you have to buy the subscription from the company Alteryx. in order to use it. While Python, R, and MATLAB are mostly open source, they're free to download and use as you please. Only the thing you need to invest in is a machine storage for that.